IOVA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. Iovance Biotherapeutics, it's 1.5% up. I mean, this is like a ticker that this has like great market cap, all of that, but the reality is that technicals are not looking good right now. I've done 35,000 videos, I've spent thousands of courses, mentors, documented everything, and generally speaking, I'm not even trying to be that guy, but this is like a bearish market for me. It definitely is. It sure is only going to be bullish if it starts breaking above 811, but we're not even near that. So I'm just saying, bro, like I would love to see that shift, but the likelihood, like the most likely thing that's going to happen next is we just clear these lows out. And I'm not even to day trade this because like it's not volatile enough, so I'm not a big fan. But that's how it looks like for me. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet only way, there is a free newsletter, first link in the description, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.